Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at Google Drive and see how we can create a folder, upload a file, and also download a file. Alright, so we're going to bring up the internet browser. Right, here we go. So we're going to sign in. Alright, in order to also get the drive. Alright, so I'm going to click on this account. Right, and I'm going to put in a password. Alright, so while I put in a password, ask me for next. I'm going to click on next. Alright, there you go. And then what I want to search for is the drive. This is the drive. We're going to click on the drive. Alright, there you go. I'm in the drive. Right, so if you notice here, it shows you new. It's my drive, share with me, recent, and star, trash. Right, and the storage. Notice these are the different folders and all that. This is settings. But what we want you to do is to know how to download a file. Right, so the first thing you want to do is to put the cursor here on the file, and then we're going to right click, and then we're going to come all the way here. This is the word download. You click on the word download. You notice right here, it actually show you immediately say download. Alright, this is your go. Right, you download it. Right, so you want to do that again. You want to download this one. You're going to right click here, and this is where download. You're going to click on where download. Right, and notice it converted to PDF, and basically that's how you actually download something. What if you want to upload something here? You want to come right here to new. Right, you're going to say file upload. Click on that. Notice take it directly to the desktop. So I want this one. So we're going to click it, and then click on open right here. Right, and notice it's showing here document uploading. Right, good. But if you notice you haven't seen document, just click on the word recent. Right, and this is a recent document. Right, very important. So we're going to do that again by clicking on new, clicking on upload. Right, and then we're going to click on this one, story. We're going to click on open. Right, you notice it's showing here. Alright, notice story. This is the next one. Alright, very important. So we're going to click back here. So we want to change the color of the folder. You notice? Let me close this. All of this folder does have one basic color. I'm going to give all of them a different color. How I'm going to do that, I'm going to put the cursor on it. Right click. Right, if you notice right here is a color. Right, and if I come right here and click, notice this one change color. I'm going to do the same thing for this one by right click. This is the red color. I'm going to give this a brighter color. Right, I can also give them color code. It's up to you which one I want to put it in. Right, and give it a different color. So each one we can give them a different color. That, and there you go with it. So I want to create a folder now and name the folder. How are we going to do that? We're going to come right here the plus. Right, and this is folder. We're going to click it. Notice it's a new folder to create. Right, so on the type, so this folder now is work folder. So put a work folder, and then we're going to click on create. Right, you notice here you go with the work folder. Right, so if I right click on it, right, I can click open here. I can actually share it. I can actually rename it. If I click on rename, notice I can actually rename it, and done. Right, so it's very important and all of that. And if you want to actually upload a folder, you can come right here. I'm going to click right here. Right, if you notice all of these folders. Right, and I click on that. I click on upload. Right, you notice. Right, so you're going to upload. Right, so this is 31. Right, so you can also cancel it if you want. And all of that, so very important. And I hope you have learned something from this particular video here so far. Very critical.